Good evening. We're about to start the next half of this lesson, which is drawing letters in a graph. We're going to be doing the block and the bubble so that we can finish up our seascape with poster. So we're going to add, you're going to choose whether you're going to put the block letters in your poster. It doesn't matter where you put it. And you're going to create your own poster. You're going to lay it out and organize it however you want, okay? So today, this evening, we're going to just continue. You have already practiced how to draw block letters. So now I'm just going to show you how to do bubble, or we call it balloon letters. The purpose of us putting it in a graph normally is to make sure that the letters are the same height. We're doing capitals. And they're the same width, same thickness, and it makes it more even. And after you finish doing your letters in the graph, then of course you will go ahead and erase it with your eraser. I'm just using the transparency and the expo marker so you can just get an idea how that is done. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to show you, and I think I just erased the wrong portion of the A. I am going to show you how to draw the bubble letters in a graph. So we're going to get started with the bubble. And first of all, we're going to start out with the E. So the E, we're going to put the E in here. And it can be graffiti style, but make sure it fits totally within the space. Then we'll go into the X. Same principle applies. Make sure, and the difference between the block and the bubble letters is the fact that you can, the edges are rounder, okay? And we could always go back through and make corrections. Exuma, when you're drawing your graph, make sure you count your letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the amount of letters in the island name, and then draw the spaces so that it could fit, okay? So we're gonna go into the U. Remember, the difference is you're just making the roundness of the letter within the space, and that's making sure that this would be about the same height as the other one. And the M, we're going to go in here with our M. You will choose whatever island from the Bahamas that you would like to work with, okay? Now, of course, you could always, that's why you keep an eraser on hand. And then A, so that you can make corrections. Okay, so I'm here, I'm gonna make my round, I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna make it round. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this in. All right, so make sure when you've chosen to do your bubble letters, make sure it fits the space. You could always go back in and you could make corrections. And then, of course, you will take out the edges and all the parts you don't want. You don't keep that there. And then the last thing, that's one part of the assignment. And then the last thing you're going to do is you are going to make sure, after you finish that, you're going to create your graph onto your picture. You're going to lay it out, make your graph, and then you're going to fill it in with black. All right, so that's how to form your bubble letters, and with using the black, because the black is a solid color, and you would be able to draw over what you've done already.